Hi guys, another test now that I've fixed my 3D printer. I was having problems with it. I think I fixed it. So we got another cat bookmark or page marker. To be honest, it didn't work straight away. That filament didn't grip the build plate properly and I had to put Elmer's glue on it to help it grip. So this is actually the second print. The first one didn't grip properly, but this one is gripped very well. Yeah, you can see the Elmer's glue underneath. I use it if I have problems. I try not to use it because the plate is supposed to be coated with stuff that grips PLA anyway. Still, there we go. Can't remember the name of it, but it will be in the title and the video description with a link to download it for yourself. I actually changed the dimensions on this. I've reduced it to 65% height and width, and I left it the same thickness because I didn't want to make this bit too thin on the end, otherwise it will just break off. I expect it will still break anyway, but it was going to be enormous, and I thought, yeah, I don't want it that big to go in a book. That's plenty big enough. Half that size would probably be okay, but it works. So check the video description for the link. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.